Providing real solutions for real challenges is what Dixon Brass is all about. We are a proud U.S. manufacturer and supplier of a variety of products, including standard, lock-on and garden hose fittings, welding connectors, compression, and DOT air brake fittings. We also offer a line of NSF-approved lead-free fittings for drinking water systems and plumbing materials. Located in Westmont, Illinois, our 45,000 square foot facility focuses on manufacturing brass and stainless steel fittings. Our CNC machinists, screw machine operators, and assembly personnel are committed to providing high-quality parts built to last. In addition to our standard product offerings, our engineering team can work with you to create custom parts specific to your application. With 12 distribution centers across the U.S., our fittings are well-stocked and ready to ship. Whether it's for construction, agriculture, manufacturing, or another industry, we make sure you always have the right connection.